Did you know that you can personalize swipe actions in Google Messages? You can choose one of the 3 available options to archive a message, delete a message, or mark a message as read. In a few steps, you can make using this app easier and save time. Here's how. Open the Google Messages app on your phone. Then tap on the profile icon on the right side. Next, open the Messages settings field. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Find Swipe Actions and open it. Here you can see that mine is set to archive messages with both swipe left and swipe right. Now I will change that. Tap on Customize next to swipe right. After that, select the action you want in the window that appears. If you don't want any action, select the off option. I will set it to the delete action. I will now do the same for swipe left. Open Customize and select the desired action. I will choose mark as read or unread. Now I will go back to Messages to see if it works. Everything works as it was set. This is a really useful feature for me that saves a lot of time. If you like it too, like this video. For more tips, subscribe to the channel.